Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing great. So, welcome to today's session, and let's see what are we learning today. We are learning about safety around. It is very important to be careful and safe. So, this brings to us chapter number 8, safety around. What are we focusing on? We are focusing on safety at different places, and what do we do if we get hurt. Safety is the state of keeping safe from any kind of harm or injury. जब हमारी तरफ डेंजर आ रहा हो, हार्म आ रहा हो, इंजरी आने वाली हो, उससे हमें कैसे बचना है, उसे सेफ्टी बोलते हैं. अगर हम सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉलो करेंगे रोड पर, प्लेग्राउंड में, व्हीकल में, होम में, स्कूल में, तो हम लोग सेफ रहेंगे. इफ वी विल बी केयरफुल, वी विल बी सेफ. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें डर डर के रहना है, बट वी जस्ट हैव टू बी केयरफुल. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट all rules do you have to follow to be safe on road. Always walk on the footpath or on the safe side of the road. रोड के साइड में जो फुटपाथ होता है उस पे ही आपको चलना है, रोड के बीच में आपको नहीं चलना. क्रॉस द रोड थ्रू अ सबवे इफ देयर इज एनी. सो क्या होता है, कई बारी रोड्स बहुत बिजी होती हैं, तो हम लोग एक टनल बना दी जाती है लोगों के लिए, जो रोड के एक तरफ से स्टार्ट है. वी क्लाइम डाउन द स्टेयर्स फ्रॉम देयर, क्रॉस द रोड एंड कम अप फ्रॉम द अदर साइड. दैट्स अ सबवे. तो अगर कहीं पर सबवे बना हुआ है, प्लीज यूज दैट टू क्रॉस द रोड. ऑल्सो नेवर रन अक्रॉस द रोड. रोड के अक्रॉस आपको रन नहीं करना. नेवर प्ले ऑन द रोड. आपको रोड पर खेलना नहीं है, वो प्लेग्राउंड नहीं है. यूज द जीब्रा क्रॉसिंग टू क्रॉस द रोड. अब जब रोड है, वहां पर रोड के एक पार्ट में बीच में जीब्रा की तरह लाइंस बनी होती हैं, ब्लैक व्हाइट ब्लैक व्हाइट. व्हेन द सिग्नल इज रेड, यू हैव टू क्रॉस द रोड फ्रॉम जीब्रा क्रॉसिंग ओनली. Also, please follow some of the safety rules, the traffic rules, when you are crossing the road. First, look at your left, then right, then left again, and then cross the road by walking, not by running. Now, when you are in playground, you have to follow certain rules to be safe. It's not that you are in a playground and you are there to play, so you won't follow any rules. There have to be rules because you're likely to get hurt in a playground very badly if you do not follow such safety rules. Always play in safe places like parks and playgrounds. आपको parks और playgrounds में ही play करना है. घर में, kitchen में, bathroom में, road पर you don't have to play. Always play a safe game and follow rules of the game. आप जो गेम खेल रहे हैं, मेक श्योर दैट इट्स अ सेफ गेम, और उस गेम के कुछ रूल्स होंगे विच यू हैव टू फॉलो. आई हैव सीन चिल्ड्रन प्लेइंग द हिटिंग द पर्सन विद द बॉल, hitting the person with a ball, and what happens, the ball actually hits the person very badly, and that is very unsafe game. So do not play unsafe games. ऑल्सो डू नॉट क्वारल विद योर फ्रेंड्स. अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ लड़ाई मत कीजिए, और अगर लड़ाई हो भी जाए तो प्लीज टॉक फ्रॉम योर माउथ ओनली. डू नॉट हिट, डू नॉट क्वारल, डू नॉट यूज योर हैंड्स. When you are in bus, you have to be very careful. How? You do not have to get your head or hand out of the moving bus. If any vehicle is coming by, if any tree is there, if any pillar is there, your head and hand can get hurt. Also, जब आप बस में हैं तो do not move. एक मूविंग व्हीकल में आपको नहीं चलना है, और आपको बस में हमेशा एक क्यू बनाकर ही बोर्ड या डीबोर्ड करना है. So let's read. Do not try to get into a moving bus. Always make a queue to get in the bus. So please board and deboard the bus in a queue when it is completely stopped. Do not put your hand or head out of the moving vehicle. Also do not disturb the driver while he is driving. जब ड्राइवर बस ड्राइव कर रहा है, तब आपको जो ड्राइवर है उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना, अदरवाइज ड्राइवर कैन गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड एंड मीट एन एक्सीडेंट. When you are in home, you have to be very careful there also. You would say that I am in a home, why should I be careful? If you leave your toys on the floor, you might get trip over it and fall and get hurt badly. So do not leave the toys on the floor. Also, do not play with the sharp objects like blades, knives, scissors. आपके घर में बहुत सारे sharp objects हैं. पापा जो ब्लेड यूज करते हैं, scissors, knife, you don't have to play with it at all. Also, there are few appliances which get very hot on when they are in use. So please do not touch them, like iron or toaster or sandwich maker or electric fans. Also, do not touch electrical appliances and switches with your wet hands. जब आपके हाथ गीले हैं, I have seen children washing their hands. They do not wipe the hand properly, come out of the bathroom and try to switch off the light, which is very dangerous. Always wipe your hand thoroughly after washing and only then touch the switch. When you are at school, you have to be very careful. You do not jump on the benches or desk in the classroom. If you would do that, you might trip over the benches, you might fall over the benches and the desk and get hurt. You do not have to push anyone in the staircase when you are in hurry to catch the bus or to go to any classroom and children are climbing the stairs or climbing down the stairs. Please do not push each other. Otherwise, you might fall and get hurt. Do not litter things in your classroom. अपने क्लासरूम को गंदा मत कीजिए. वाटर बॉटल्स, लंच बॉक्सेस इधर उधर मत फेंकिए. अदरवाइज यू कैन ट्रिप ओवर इट. ऑल्सो क्लासरूम बहुत ही डर्टी दिखता है. Now let's scratch our brain a little bit and tell, what do you follow safety rules on festivals? Diwali is one festival on which you have to be very careful while lighting diyas, candles or burn crackers. Do not do that without the supervision of any adult. If you get hurt, even being after very careful, you get hurt, what would you do? You would run to an adult and tell that you are hurt. The adult will help you to make fit again. So, what keywords have we learned in today's lesson? Safety. The state of keeping safe from any kind of harm or injury. Safety means बचाव. किसी भी चीज से जिससे हमें डेंजर है, हमें इंजरी हो सकती है, हमें हार्म हो सकता है, उससे बचने को हम सेफ्टी बोलते हैं. Subway, that's a tunnel under a busy road, or a railway, that is for people who are walking. Please remember, if we are careful, we will be safe. हम careful रहेंगे तो हम safe रहेंगे. And use the zebra crossing to cross the road. ऐसे ही रोड पर मत भागिए, हमेशा zebra crossing से ही रोड को क्रॉस कीजिए. You have to play a safe game and follow the rules of the game in the playground. Do not try to get into a moving bus. Do not board or deboard from a moving bus. Do not leave the toys on the floor. आप अपने घर के फ्लोर पर टॉयज को बिखरा हुआ मत छोड़िए. Do not litter things in your classroom. अपनी क्लासरूम में चीजें इधर उधर मत फैलाइए. If you get hurt, tell an adult. फिर भी अगर आपको चोट लग जाती है, आप adult को बताइए. Now let's assess ourselves and see what have we learned in today's lesson. Which light says stop? Red light says stop. Always make a queue to get in the bus. We should not take it on our own. What should we not take on our own? When we are at home, we should not pop in pills. जो आपकी pills grandparents की, parents की या इनफैक्ट आपकी भी रखी होगी, अगर आपके parents around नहीं हैं, अगर आप unwell भी हैं, please do not pop in any medicine on your own because you do not know when to take it and how to take it. So, do not pop in pills or medicines because they look colorful. So we should not take medicines on our own. Do not jump on the benches or desk in the classroom. Let's fill in the blanks. Always walk on the footpath. Do not quarrel with your friends, fight with your friends. Do not disturb the driver while he is driving. Do not push anyone. आपको वैसे कहीं पर भी किसी को पुश नहीं करना है. So you do not have to push anyone anywhere. Otherwise you can write, do not push anyone in the playground or on the stairs. Or in classroom or even at your home. Write 2 safety rules you must follow when you are in moving bus. So there are few questions that you are going to write yourself in your notebook. We can discuss it over here. In the moving bus, you should not board or deboard the bus. In the moving bus, you should not disturb the driver. You should not put your hand and head out of the window. Write 2 safety rules you must follow at home. Do not play with the sharp objects. Do not touch the electrical appliances with the wet hands. Do not take medicines on your own. What should you do if you get hurt? If you get hurt, you should inform an adult. You have to circle the road sign that best matches the picture on the left. So these are the 2 pictures on which, according to which you can circle the road sign. So this is a slippery bike lane. Please find this yourself. There are few more safety rules to be followed on road. You have to use a safety belt while driving. Always wear a helmet even if you are on the back seat of a scooter or a bike. You have to use hand gestures and turn signals to avoid accidents. Avoid using smartphones while you are driving or you are walking on the road. Then you can make a poster on safety in pool. Also, you can make your own first aid box by taking a shoe box, covering it with a chart paper, putting all the first aid items in it. For example, antiseptic cream, bandage, cotton, scissors, sanitizer, face mask, oximeter, etc. etc. Now, please surf the internet or consult an adult to identify which signal belongs to which traffic rule. Also, you can trace this traffic light. Join the dots, trace the traffic light and color the picture. Also, please write that what does red means, yellow means and green means. Now, what else you can do is you can collect pictures of any 6 things that you find at home and paste them in the scrapbook according to from which you are safe and from which you are not safe. For example, fruits, you are safe with fruits. If there is a picture of a knife, you are unsafe. So you can just collect the pictures and paste it in the correct column. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope you have learned a lot about following the safety rules in different places. So till then, keep fit, keep safe and stay tuned. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Keep shining, keep learning.